Alright, back up to here. I was going to put the C-pillars back on this other side. When I took it off, the clips had actually, these metal clips actually came off of the plastic part. A pair of pliers or needle nose, and they're actually kind of hard to take out a little bit. Just kind of pull them out. I got that one. And then so it won't happen again. You can just tighten that a little bit. Get your needle nose and push in on that. Make it a little bit more skinnier so it can go in and out easier. So once you're ready to put your C-pillar back on, just go ahead and take those screws off, those bottom two, or you could just loosen them up, is what I did right now, right before actually falling out. And just to give me enough a lot of room so I can put the C-pillar in, because it goes in first and then this goes on top. Alright, so I got my two screws on the bottom of the center pillar, and that screws out. So now I'm just sitting right here on the side of the car. Now I'm just gonna pull this out and then look inside. So first I'm gonna show you the pillar mechanism. So you see that spring right there? There's three parts to this. There's this plastic part right here, and this part right here. There's three parts to that. On this side, there's this little actuator right here. So when I press down, that spring right there, it stretches. So the middle part, see, I just let go. So now I'm gonna push it back down, push it down, and those bottom two parts went down only. So hold off on that for a second and look over here. So on this side there's two parts that we need to know about. There's this top part, plastic part right here, and this bottom part right here. Part is down. Alright, so this, I hold it from up here, and this thing can go up and down, but it can, right now it cannot go down because this lever is not being actuated down. So if I actuate it down and then keep pushing it down, everything moves. If I let go, it won't go down. It won't go down. But I can just grab this right here, top part, and go up, but it won't go back down. So basically, those two parts right there, that lever and the part up here, they need to go in between right here. Those two slots, the two areas right here. So the parts are just going to go like that. Alright, so everything's together, about to come connected. So see the lever and this plastic part right here, this part right here, right underneath the lever, that is actually going to rest on top of this bottom plastic part down here. So you have 1, 2, and 3. It's going to rest on top of this. That's something has to get done. And then this lever would be in between this area right here. So pretty much all of that goes in between there. And just one thing is, I don't know what those things are for. See that metal?